To tier 3 vision. So this is Vikash and today we are going to discuss about common table expression in SQL. So this is the continuing the data engineering series on SQL. So what are common table expression? So a common table expression is a temporary result set which you can reference within another SQL query or statement including select, insert, update or delete. So common table expression are temporary in the sense that they only exist during the execution of the particular query. So your scope of that particular you can say common table expression will only reside until and unless your query is executed. Once the query finishes execution, your you can say a common table expression will vanish from your CAC memory or you can say temporary memory. It will not stored in your permanent memory. So I'll fire up my PostgreSQL and I'll see I have three tables. So I have employee table. So I'll see what are the contents inside my employee table. So as you can see, I have this data which has certain attributes and 15 rows. So how we basically we can write CTE. So generally this is the syntax we need to follow for CTE. So you need to start with and you need to give your CTE name, the particular table name that you want to CTE, and then you need to do as, and inside parenthesis you need to give your CTE query definition you need to give, and after that you need to give your statement that you want to perform on top of that CTE. So this is a general syntax. So we'll see how we can create one CTE. So we'll see how we can do this. So with, so suppose I want to name my table as EMP1 as select F name comma L name comma salary as salary from employee, and then I'll select all the data from this table. Select star from EMP1. So as you can see that I have this EMP table, so it acts as a kind of a, you can say, filtering the particular you can say data set. So why this CTE are important? Suppose you are performing very large analysis on a very large data set and you need not to go through all the data set. So what you can do, you can basically create a CTE of the required you can say data set, and you can perform anything on the top of that. So suppose I can do where clause also, where name is equal to, so let's say Ram. Sorry, I messed up. Name is equal to name is equal to Ram. I don't know. Sorry, I don't have a column name. I have F name. So as you can see that I'll be getting this particular data. So what you can do, you can do pretty much many things on top of the CTE. So with, I'm basically creating this CTE. So I'm selecting F name, L name, and you can say salary. And also what I'll do, I'll apply some case statement also. Salary, and then what I'll do, I'll apply case statement. So case, so when my salary is greater than 75,000, okay, greater than 75,000, then I want to basically give reviews as then good. Okay, now when my salary is less than 75,000, then I want to print, okay, else I want to print improve. Okay, and what I'll do, I'll end my case, I'll close the parenthesis, and this I want to alias it as reviews from employee, and then I want to select basically all the column from employee. We need to include this inside parenthesis. So as you can see, this is the data I'll be getting. So I have this reviews as the column. So this is, you can say, you can do a variety of tasks with CTE. Also you can do pretty much more operation on top of CTE. Suppose I can select now again that where statement, where you can say f name equal to Raja. So as you can see, I'm getting all this. So with that, that's it for this video. So CT is very important concept. We have to, use all these things so it helps us our analysis, much better. So this is a kind of a temporary storage, or you can say temporary dataset that we can perform analysis on top of it. So with that, that's it for now. We'll come with another topic in next video. Till then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. I'll be more than happy to read your comments. And if you want me to cover any specific topic, please comment down below. I'll try to come with that topic in upcoming videos. Thank you so much.